Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to Texas Tech University. So, first, you may want to head over to applytexas.org. And from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. But if you don't have an existing account, make sure that you create one and log into your account. So from your dashboard, make sure that you click on find the right application and answer in all the questions to see if you are eligible to apply for Texas Tech University. This part is essential because you won't be able to apply to Texas Tech University if you are not eligible, depending on your answers to the question. So once you're done with the first part of the questions, you may now proceed to answering core questions. Just click on the start button. So you will also see a progress bar here, and these are all the details you're going to need to provide. So once everything is done, you can now switch to school search. Just click on this and start searching for tech. Then click on Texas Tech University. You will then be able to see search results related to Texas Tech University and just select one from the search results, then click on view details. And from here, you can now start your application just by clicking on start your application button. So from here to finalize your application, just scroll down and proceed by clicking on next. And from here, you're just going to need to fill in all details about these three. So first is choose your first choice major, then proceed. So there's a note here that says if you plan to complete your degree 100% online through Texas Tech University, do not continue with this application. So if you want to proceed, just answer more questions being asked. And lastly, you will be redirected to the essays page. But these are all optional and you can skip this part if you want to. Then once everything is done, just proceed by clicking on next. So lastly is make sure that you entered all the details correctly and review your application. And once everything is done, you will be also asked to accept, read the terms and conditions, and lastly is the payment instructions. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!